Hey y'all, so I just got home. I was filming a campaign and now look at all this. I done set it all up. We need to go through all this PR because it is trash night, meaning I need to put my trash out tonight. And all these boxes are crazy. This was the icing, okay? Like, we got to get rid of that stuff. So I'm gonna set up my light and hopefully we have enough battery on here so we can get this stuff open together, okay? So hopefully you can hear me and you can see me. All right, I'm gonna talk loud because the struggle's real. So first, we did get some things in from 12 p.m. Studios. Let me come over here and show y'all real quick. So we got 3 new pair of shades and I already took them out the box. These, I think, I don't remember the name, but we have these. Cute. Cute. And let's see. I know they're the tortoise frame. What are they called, y'all? I can't remember. But these are super cute. Next, we have, let's see. Ooh, these are the Toronto. I do know these. Super cute. Slight like yellow lens. These are the London Nude. I do know that. With gold. So cute. These are the 12 p.m. Studio shades. Thank you, girl. I moved y'all a little bit closer. That may help. And I got my mic, so y'all gotta let me know. So we have a package from Clinique. Oh, things are falling out. Oh, these are the chubby sticks. So you have the lip color and the cheek colors. Then I got some cases for my phone. I have the new iPhone 17. These are from Casetify. So this is the first case. This one, what is this, like a deer print? Cute. I hope y'all can see this and I'm not wasting my time. Oh, here's another big one we can do real quick. This is from Morphe. Apparently Morphe is now at Target. That's what it says. So, ooh. Oh, wow. So we have the Continuous Setting Mist, the Totally Set Mini Brighten and Set Powder Duo, the Cheek Thrills Multi-Finish Face Trio, an eyeshadow palette, Conceal and Set Tool Trio, Blush Layering Tool Trio. Yeah, so I can tell these are the brushes. This is heavy. Oh my goodness, I had just bought this in the butter yellow. I need to return that. The packaging is cute. It's like a little outline. This is the Cloud Light Soft Glow Veil. I'm not gonna go through every little thing, y'all, but I did label them. I mean, you know, list them all off. I think we got some lip gloss too. Oh yeah. All right, let's open up this. This says it's from L'Oreal Paris. Okay, so what is this? We have, looks like some lip liners and some lipsticks. We have Worth It. Oh, okay, it's all Worth It. Well, no, we have 601 Worth It, 635 Worth It Medium, and then we have 570 Worth It Intense. This kind of reminds me of how Charlotte Tilbury does hers, like Pillow Talk 1, 2, 3, you know. And then the last one, which seems to be a deeper one, is 772 Lasting Plum. I'm excited to try these. And then we also have the lipsticks. 570 Worth It Intense, 601 Worth It, 635 Worth It Medium, and 590 in Blushing Berry. Thank you, L'Oreal. This one is from Rare Beauty. Oh, so cute. The Neutral Eye Collection. Oh, and I love this bag, y'all. We have the Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner. Next up, we have Perfect Strokes Eyeliner Liquid Matte. in brown. Okay, and then we also have the Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. And we have another mascara in black. And then this is the eyeshadow palette. Let's open her. Oh, the palette is adorable. Look how tiny. This is good for travel. Oh, I love that. I don't know if y'all can see the colors, but it's the perfect neutral little palette. This is from Skin Potion. So let's see what we got. Enjoy our new body cleansers now with even more kojic acid, niacinamide, and sea moss. Enjoy your glow. Love, Ray and the Skin Potion family. Thank you, Skin Potion. This is R&R body cleanser. I've heard good things about this. I want to smell this. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, I can smell it through here. I get some sandalwood for sure. Kama Sutra. This is their version of Delina. Then we have Alma Divina, which is inspired by Valaya from Parfum de Marly. Okay, y'all, next up we have Candy Heart. Love this scent. It's like a candy pear type of fragrance. This was in collaboration with my girl Fab Finds by Keitra. Next up we have Costa del Sol. This was my first ever Skin Potion item that I purchased. It's like a tropical kind of scent. It's so pretty. I wonder if I can smell it through here. Yeah, this is good. I'm gonna have to do a giveaway on some of these, y'all, because his products are natural and I'm not gonna be able to go through all of these. So we'll definitely be doing a giveaway. Cookie butter. Ooh, Besame Mucho. Next up, we have something from Laura Mercier. Ooh, what's this? How cute is this? It looks like a can. That's adorable. Now, what do? Hydrating. Okay, translucent hydrating setting spray. Y'all, this is so cute. 24-hour hydrating wear, smudge transfer, and waterproof 98% skincare delivered in a microfine continuous mist. This is so cute. All right, next up, we got something in from CeraVe. Ooh, okay, so this is the 2-in-1 anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Better Science, I think. Oh no, this is from the Inky List. So first thing we have is the Oat Cleansing Balm. Exosome Hydro Glow Complex. We have the Caffeine Eye Cream. And then lastly, we have the Omega Water Cream. This is for like a light oil-free moisturizer. We have something else from the Inky List. Okay. This same thing, y'all, the Hydro Glow Complex. So I'll definitely be doing a giveaway on this. Ooh, this is from, I already opened it. This is from YSL Beauty. Child, they sent me a lot of liners. The Kiss Shape liners. I think they sent every color, to be fair. Ooh, okay, I expected better packaging, but I felt like the packaging should have been all gold and luxe, but this is giving just silver top, chrome. Hazel Enigma, Undressed Pink. Let's see. I'm not gonna open each and every one, but I'll tell y'all the names. We have Sienna Rebel, Blushing Nude, Cocoa Flirt, Nude Lavalier, I think, Espresso Dreams. This is from Too Faced. So these are glowing liquid blushes. So we have Love Letter and At First Sight, Last Love, First Love, Head Over Heels. Uh-oh. This one is Roses Are Red. I'm sure this is a red tone. Oh yeah. Another L'Oreal. This is the Blur Filler Lip Contour. Never heard of these. And then we have two lipsticks, one in Golden Splendor. And this one is in 601 Worth It. I love the Worth It color. It's so pretty. I always get so many compliments. And then we also have Smoky Mauve, and this is the Lip Stain Serum. It's so much stuff, y'all. I cannot keep up. This is why I like giving to like the women's shelters or doing giveaways or giving away to family or something, because you just can't have it all. Danessa Myricks. Let's see what we got. We love Danessa, honey. This is what the box looks like. Oh, a little tote. What's this? Cute little clear brown tote. Okay, so we have a mini of the liquid blurring balm. We also have the protect and repair mini. And this hydrates instantly over time. Oh, this is their serum. Then we also have, oh, this is the matte primer as well. Also, we have the, what is this called? I use it all the time too. Can't even think of it. The Yummy Skin Blurring Balm, that's what it's called. So it's basically just a mini of all of these. How cute. Thank you, Danessa girl. I like this little tote. It says L'Oreal. Lord have mercy, y'all. What is in here? Oh, this is the Ever Pure. Look at that. Ooh, okay. So this is the Iron Sleek shampoo. Well, this is the Iron Sleek line. So you get the shampoo, conditioner, and you also get the anti-frizz transformation water resistant styling coat. This is gonna be good for the girls who wear their natural hair in like a silk press. Yeah. This is from Josie Maran. I feel like I always sound so crazy saying, is it Josie Maran or Josie Maran? What is, ooh, we have body wash. See y'all, I have so many body washes. This is Golden Hour body wash. Vanilla Vibes body wash. They give you the empty for topless tangerine. And this is your large refill. I already know what this is. Got something from Victor and Rolf. This is the Flower Bomb Extreme. Basically, it's this pretty little bottle. This is the Extreme. It smells good. I've worn this and I got a compliment. So yeah, clearance. Oh, I'm out of my serum. Let's see if we have any in here. No. Okay, this is the Extra Firm Bounce Glow, Extra Firming Energy. This is a radiance boosting wrinkle smoothing cream. Oh, this is from Youth to the People. I can't get it open. Hold on. Now, why would it be this difficult? Do you want me to have it or not? They didn't want us to have this. Oh, cute. This thing heavy. This is the little bag. What we got? Super Shroom Calm Cleanser and the cream. And this is what it looks like. And then we also have the cream. Another Danessa Myricks. This is the larger size of her new Barrier Boost Plumping Serum. So that's that. And then we also have a universal Yummy Skin Blurring Powder, which I love this. Packaging. Y'all, this is the same stuff. Definitely doing a giveaway. Now, well, we do have a retinol serum in here. I'm still so grateful to have it because that way you guys get a chance to try the stuff out, you know, and not have to spend your money on it, girl. Ooh, something from Juvia's Place. Another setting spray. This is so bright I can barely read it. Juvia's Ready Set Seal Long Wear Continuous Fix and Set Spray, Ultra Matte Waterproof. This is probably gonna give one size. Oh, it had tape on it. Yeah, that's definitely giving one size. All this is L'Oreal. We've done enough L'Oreal. Let's get into this Huda Beauty. She always has the best packaging. Yep. Oh, wow. This is green. Freshly baked, easy bake matcha milk. Y'all, this may not be for us. The little puffs are always so adorable, though. I love the puffs. Ah, tiny. You always get like some clips, hair clips. These come in handy when you're doing your makeup. Matcha milk cake. Blondie, which I do have Blondie, so I will be giving both of these away because I highly doubt I'm gonna wear a green under eye powder. And then we also have a cute little mirror. I always take one of these when I travel. It's adorable. I love it. The best part of her packages, you always get like a little travel case, and I love these. This one has a handle. My other one didn't. And look at how perfect that is for your makeup. This is from Amazon. And y'all, what is this? It looks, I mean, it says Bissell. I'm assuming it's a vacuum. Y'all, I'm not gonna take this out of this box. It's too big. But this is what we got. Look it, I need this for my couch. Y'all know my couch be dirty for no reason. That's why, oop, almost fell. I want a new couch, okay? Y'all, look at this. Amazon, big sale. This looks like fondant. Oh, it's a big old cookie. Y'all, I'm done. This is a huge cookie. Shortbread cookie with fondant icing. That's crazy. Oh, okay, this is a Kate Spade table runner. How cute is this black and white? This actually matches my place. And we also have some oven mitts. These are by Kate Spade as well. Okay, this is a 3-in-1 hand blender. What do we have? Oh, it's a little measuring set. Y'all, this is cute. That's hot. A food jar. Okay, so if you want to take your lunch, this is, oh, this is like, what do you call it, like a Ziploc bag that you can keep. We have some string lights, high voltage. Okay. Then we also have, oh, a mini waffle maker. How cute. This is like for your jewelry, like a little cactus ring holder. And lastly, now what is this? A bowl? Just a ceramic bowl. I was saying I wanted like a little catch-all. Ceramic bowl. I think this is all we can do for now. We're at 1%. So thank y'all for opening up these packages with me. I need to take all this stuff out to the trash.
She comfortable.